Thinking of switching from 3 to Tesco Mobile? Here's what you need to know in 2025. First, you'll likely need a PAC, porting authorization code from 3 to transfer your current phone number. You can get this free code through the 3 app, website, or by calling 333. Remember, the PAC expires after 30 days, so use it promptly. However, because Tesco Mobile uses 3's network infrastructure, in some cases, primarily for intra-network switches, you might not even need a PAC, allowing for a faster transfer. Check Tesco Mobile's website or app for specific instructions related to 3 customers. Note that you can expect seamless coverage on Tesco Mobile as they share 3's 99.8% UK population coverage, with 5G available in over 400 towns and cities. Once you've obtained your Tesco Mobile SIM, available online or in Tesco stores, insert it into your phone. Activate it through the Tesco Mobile app or website, where you'll enter your PAC code if required, along with your personal details. In 2025, Tesco Mobile supports eSIM for iPhones and certain Android devices, reducing the need for a physical SIM card. For the timeline, a standard switch takes 1 to 3 working days. However, since both networks share infrastructure, switching from 3 to Tesco Mobile can be near instant in some cases. For full transfers, expect to wait up to 24 hours. Back up your data before switching to avoid potential loss. If you need to renew your PAC, always remember to renew it to continue the smooth transition.